Everyone, in this video we will learn how to fix Gasha Live sound problem easy and quick. Just watch and follow this video till the end. Go directly open your settings of your mobile phone, click on apps option and search for Gasha Live and click. Scroll here down this list, click right now on storage, click clear cache and you should back. Click at force stop, click OK. Go to Play Store or App Store and update Gasha Live. Restart here your device and that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.